Well, Van's booked in tomorrow for have its panel done, so I'll just show you what that is now. You can see on the door bit here now the scuff. Not a bit long, it's quite bad. A couple of marks on here being done. And that's it, that looks like where it's hit the door. And today's video is going to be removing this panel. And I believe it's at this first screw out here, which I've already done on here, and then I think we'll have to remove this inner panel on the bed here. So I'm sure there's nothing else to the back of this. Might be wrong. So what it is, this little monkey here. So that holds the actual panel on the other side. So what I'm going to do is going to remove that now. Just clean all the crap off the legs. Look at all this shite. Back fucking ranted. So we'll get that cleaned up and we'll whiz that thing. This is how long the clips. So if we see, Russ has gone. Done a cracking job on that actually. So I've been cleaning up a few of the marks on it now. So today's job's gonna be fitting that bloody panel. As you can see, good old English weather, absolutely lashing down. So I've got here, back to order some of these clips because the ones on the back of here. So what I've got out now for you. Half of these broke, you know what I'm talking about. You see where this one here, see where the clip come off it. So I believe you just pop these out. Oh yeah, put the new ones in. Now I would have thought this panel would have slid into position and then you clipped them in. Actually clip these into the bodywork on the piece. You can't get focus on it. Clip these in and then the panel would have slid over that, but you can't really do it because you've got one end on that one there and then the wraparound end on that one. So I've looked online loads and can't find many videos on actually doing these, so trial and error. So hopefully we've got enough clips there for do it, and then we'll just pop all these out. Keep them spare just in case we knock it to the ones open. I don't know what that one is. I'm hoping that that's not. It is one of these and just somebody bust it all up. Might be a different one, that. I hope not. We'll see. I've actually got like a little rubber thing on these. You see it on that. Like a little bit of seal. Not best quality, but I think they are original ones because the old ones is crappy little rubber thing on it. So yeah, there you go. I'll put a link in the description to these anyway. So if you ever need them, you can grab them. Absolutely pouring down. I've had to put a thing over the back door because it's not the rain getting in, because I'm going to do the oof, that was a bit tight. I'm going to do the reversing camera shortly, so while I've got the backlight off of this, and I'll do that. I'll have now see this fits. There we go, panel's fitted. What I've done, I've actually screwed on this piece here now. You can see my finger. Quite tight, let's just give it a clean. Luckily I didn't bend the panel when I took it off. I thought I'd actually bent it. But 10 times better that now. It's a lot better. And then just reconnected it back up here. You see there, panel comes on. Tight enough, so let's go clean. Jobs are got in. Reversing camera next.